5 things that you should know when starting your Airbnb arbitrage business. So there I was, me and the first lady. We had just stopped at one of the properties to make sure our cleaners had everything they needed so they could get in and out the next day. And what we noticed is that the student that we're working with has overspent. There is so much. So first thing is this, guys. You don't want to overspend. You can't make a profit if you start in a deficit. Expect budget $400, $500 maybe per room. Kitchen, bedrooms, living room. Next thing is you want darker linens. You don't want to get into the whites. You don't want to really get into the grays. You really want a blue, my friend, or something, because here's the challenge. Folks, don't keep your stuff nice. Number 3, you want to, set yourself up where you have not multiple colors of stuff, but choose on a single color so that your cleaner can get in and out. And the final thing is this. Make it simple for your cleaner. Select a size mattress and stay with that mattress. Don't have a bunch of different things for the cleaners to mess up. Blessings to everybody. I hope this helps.